Gator here. We finally found something at a vending machine! Only 2 packs of Journey Together, but hey, we'll take it. Every time we came to one of these, they were either off or out of stock, so let's see what we get. You guys, I finally was able to get something from a vending machine. Only 2 packs. Can we pull Iona's Belly Bolt or Lily's Clefairy with 2 packs? Let's find out. Hey, we got a Lily's Clefairy. Come on, come on, come on. If I didn't, 2 bones, hangover home, and Peaky up. Come on. Ooh, we'll take a gold spiky energy. Not bad. Nice little 2-pack snipe. Feeling much better about the world of Pokemon now that I was able to get something out of a vending machine. Woo!